Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be looking at the different parts of a window. Alright, to have access to the window, hover your mouse to the taskbar over here and then point to the Windows Explorer and click on it. So once it opens, the library here displays the list of 4 default libraries. Over here we have the document library, we have the pictures library, the music, and the videos. Now the document library which is here is used to organize and arrange word processing documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and different types of text files. The music library over here stores digital music, and over here pictures is used to organize and arrange digital pictures from your phone, cameras, scanners, emails, and so forth. And here is the video library. The video library is used to organize and arrange your videos from your digital camera, camcorder, video files that you download from the internet. Alright, so I'm gonna click on the documents folder to further explain parts of a window. So double click. Once it opens, you will see the navigation pane. The navigation pane is from this part. I'm just gonna make a drawing. All this part is called the navigation pane, and here you see the back and forward arrow, the back and forward buttons. Now we have the toolbar, which is, I'm just going to rule a horizontal line around this part. It's called the toolbar, and this part here is called the address bar. And here is what we call the library pane. Okay, is the library pane. I had drawn a little stuff there. Now the column headings, we have the name, we have the date modified, the type. Column headings, you can see the type, everything here is a column, and the size. Okay, size of each of this file or documents. The file list, everything here is the file list. The search box, whatever document you're looking for in your computer, you just come to this part, right, type in the name. You need to know the name of the file or something that starts part of the name of the file. Type it in here, press the enter on the keyboard, and then it's gonna search out the file that you're looking for. So it's called a search box. Now the details pane, here at the bottom of the window is the details pane. So if you look at this point, what this place does is it displays how many items that you have in your library. You can see the file. We have how many files here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then by the details pane, it will show you how many files that you have in that document, in that folder, or in your window. Like that, this is the documents folder. So in the documents folder, there are 4 items or 4 documents that are there. So below here gives you the details pane. Alright, I hope the drawing actually looks funny now that I'm done describing or showing you different parts of the window. But I would like you to go back, rewatch this part, so you actually get each part of the windows. Hello, you can see here that this window is a browser, Google Chrome browser, I want to show you how you manipulate your window. So if you look here at the top right corner, you will find different buttons. Now you can see that this window is a little bit small. If you want to maximize the window that you see here, this browser, you click the middle button, which is called maximize. Once you click on it, the window fills up the screen. You can see it fills up the screen, and you can see once the window is filled, covers the screen, you would see that the button at the middle changes to restore down. When you click on the restore button, the window is restored to its original size. So it goes back to its original size. So that's what the restore button does. At this point is maximize to make the window larger and cover the screen. Back at the middle button or the center button, restore down, it takes the window back to its original size. Okay, so this particular one is called the minimize button. So when you click on the minimize button, the window now disappears to the bottom of the screen, which is the task bar. So if I click on that, you can see the task bar saves all the program that is opened. So I can go back to that program, point to it, and open it back. Okay, so the next button I like to talk about is the last button there, top right corner. It's called the close button. When you click on the close button, the window now disappears. So you're done with whatever it is you're doing, and you want to close your work or the application that is open. Just go to that point where you have the X, click on it, and then your window closes. I do hope you enjoyed this video. This will be quite beneficial for people who are just starting to learn computing. I hope you do like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.